Welcome back to the Footlocker Project. I'm your host, Mr. C, and today we're talking about boots. Let's get started. Boots are such a critical component to our soldiers' uniform. Why? They help them do everything. Just like the shoes you wear, they're designed specifically to help them do their job. But there's more than two pair, there's tons. Just like you wouldn't wear your ice skates to play football, soldiers have to have specific boots to help them in specific circumstances.
From Arctic snow to Caribbean beaches, the Quartermaster Research and Development Program maintains a constant study of equipment, clothing, and supplies. A program assuring maximum survival power to the American soldier, anytime, anywhere.
As you can see with all of these boots, they're all different because they serve different purposes. Here we have some leather, shoestrings, and up here we've got some buckles. I bet they use that so that they can get them around their ankles really tight to keep water and things from getting in there. When we move down the line to the newer boots, we notice that they change their colors. So to maybe match the terrain that they might be used in. Waterproof, so that they are able to be submerged in water. And here, these are probably, I'm guessing, used in the desert somewhere because of the color, so that they are able to be camouflaged with our soldiers. Boots are amazing. We're on our feet all the time. We might as well be comfortable. And we might as well have the technology embedded in our boots so that our soldiers can do the best job that they can do.
This molded sole footwear, for example. The sole is molded on during manufacture and will last for the life of the shoe. No more repair bills.
The military designs shoes for a specific purpose.
Items of everyday use, such as rubber and leather, often behave in unexpected ways when subjected to extremes of heat or cold. What happens, for instance, to a frozen boot? What kind of material can best withstand wear and tear under extreme Arctic conditions?
Think about designing some shoes for yourself. What would your shoes need to do? Where would they need to go? And whose feet would they be on?
The only way to test an item of equipment is to use it. Sometimes this means giving a pair of shoes a year's worth of wear in a few short weeks.
Do more research and try to find out creative ways to engineer the next boot that could be worn by you, a soldier, or anybody else who has a specific job. Keep exploring and join us next time for more fun right here in the Footlocker Project.